Good morning from the XE Johnson. We're getting ready to take the XE and the Irving Johnson down to the San Diego Tallship Festival as part of the Los Angeles Marine Institute's Top Sail program. And we're doing our morning stuff. Not too much wind. It's fairly calm, and trying to get things underway. We'll probably be taking off here in a few. When I first get on board, I put my gear in the B cabin, which is normally where the students would stay on the overnight trips. On our way out of San Pedro, we had an amazing escort by some dolphins. Always a sign of good luck for a voyage. I got to take my turn at the helm. Notice the look of fierce concentration, trying to follow the compass. I probably should have worn my glasses. About halfway down the coast, we noticed that the Irving Johnson had pulled over for a swim stop. Not to be outdone, our captain stopped and allowed anybody that wanted to take a quick dip in the middle of the Pacific.
How is it? It's pretty warm.
Lovely this time of year.
Yeah. It's kind of cold, but it's really nice. Yeah. Mermaid hair. Hashtag mermaid hair. Hashtag. Hashtag. Take pictures. Go for it.
Not a lot of wind, so we had to motor most of the way because we were on a time schedule. Right after a beautiful sunset, we could see Point Loma, and then were surprised by an escort of dolphins as we started to enter San Diego Harbor. What a great day on the water. If you'd like to check out these ships and some of the others, the Tallship Festival runs all Labor Day weekend in San Diego. Then next week it'll be in Dana Point.